Hey everybody, JJ Cagle here. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can share your estimated time of arrival using Siri on iOS 14. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to start a route to somewhere. We'll just type Carl Jr. So once you've started a route, you can go ahead and tell Siri to share your ETA with whoever you want. So let's go ahead and do that. Share ETA with Cheryl Phillips. She is now sharing my estimated time of arrival using Maps. And she's just going to ask you, notify you that sharing it will also share the name and email address for your Apple ID. Okay. Just go ahead and tell her that's okay, and it will share your ETA with that. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped. Please subscribe.